So we have a movie object with these values. Now let's say for some reason, we need to get these values and store them in separate variables. Here's one way to do this. We can declare 3 separate variables, each for a member. So string title, we set it to movie.title. Then we repeat for the release year. And finally for is popular. That's one way. There is a better way, which I like to call unpacking. In C++, we call that structured binding. That's a very fancy term. I don't like that. In JavaScript, we call that destructuring, which is not a bad term because it's the opposite of structuring. So we are decomposing a structure into smaller pieces. Now in Python, we call this unpacking. I like this term too. All these terms represent the same concept, which is an easier way to solve this problem. So instead of declaring 3 separate variables and initializing them like this, we can use the auto keyboard. Then we type square brackets, and inside the brackets, we type our variables. 1 for each member of this structure in order. So title, release year, and is popular. We cannot leave out any of these. All of them are mandatory. Then we type curly braces, and here we pass our movie object. Now, what we have on this line is identical to these 3 lines. Now, the reason we have 3 errors here is because we have duplicate variable names. So let's remove these. The error is gone. So now we have 3 variables just like before. So we can print the title and we get Terminator. Beautiful. So this is how we can unpack a structure in C++.